Now I'm going to make a roast lamb. Sasha's helping me with peeling some garlic. We need a lot of it and a lovely mixture of spices. So I have mixed peppers, anise seeds, allspice, thyme. All of it I really grind up, and I'm gonna really stuff it into the meat. I have a leg of lamb. You see I'm making really nice hole, and that hole I'm gonna fill with spices, garlic and salt. Now I'm really stuffing this leg of lamb with a lot of garlic, tons of it. You'll see tomorrow when we cut it, it's gonna just look beautiful. A bit of more salt, remaining spices on the top. And now's the trick. I'm wrapping the meat in foil, and it's gonna go, prick it a bit, and it's gonna go in the oven for about 3 hours. And it's gonna cook very slowly, 160 degrees. That's when it's ready. I'm gonna cool it down and cut it tomorrow.